In this video, we will talk about how to fix class not registered error in Windows 11. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on Taskbar. Select Task Manager. Click in Task Manager search. Type Windows Explorer. Right-click and select Restart. Then check if this fixes your issue. Method 2. Re-register Windows apps. Right-click on Start. Select Terminal as Admin. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the following command and press Enter. I have mentioned the command in the description. After running this command, click on Start and restart your PC. Method 3. Reset default apps. Click on Start. Open Settings. Select Apps. Then Default Apps. Scroll down and reset all default apps. Click on Reset. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.